Well, here we are at IoT World, and I'd like to welcome Rajan Kumar, the CEO and founder of Ateios. So welcome here, Raj.
Yeah, thank you.
So tell me what you're doing at IoT World.
Yeah, Ateios Systems is an innovative battery manufacturer, and right here we're building innovative battery solutions for IoT.
Is that
and
a
wearables.
battery?
Yes, it is. One of our razor thin, ultra thin batteries, but provides 4 times more energy and designed for wireless communication.
So are these in production now?
Yeah, we're already giving samples. You can come to our booth.
So where do you put these? Where do they go?
So this application right now, this battery is being built in for wearables for asthma tracking, for continuous glucose monitoring, asset tracking, or in electronic shelf labels like in a Best Buy or Walmart. That's where we're providing the battery solution.
So what's the difference in this battery versus other traditional batteries?
Yeah, what we're finding right now is that right now batteries have 2 problems. They just don't have enough energy, or they have the power for wireless communication. You can't get both. With this chemistry, we provide 4 times more energy, and we don't lose that performance on the wireless communication.
And how long does it last?
So an application for like a continuous glucose monitor, they would maybe last 2 weeks. With this application would be 4 weeks.
So what is the future of IoT devices with this kind of technology?
Yeah, I think what it really inspired us is Mark Weiser's vision for COM technology, making technology invisible. In order to make that happen, you need a better battery solution, and that's what we're trying to enable. To stick a product anywhere and forget about it, but you still get that data, and that allows us to be more actionable and move the world forward.
So is this kind of technology basically replaceable, so you have to throw it away and get another one?
Yeah, you can, yeah, exactly.
And then does it just plug into a device?
Yeah, actually what's really cool is what we see in battery manufacturing is that the way the batteries are integrated is actually really very expensive and inefficient. We've made this battery surface mountable, so you can do easy integration and mass manufacturing.
So I'm guessing this would be in smart texture?
Smart texture, I'm not familiar with that.
Just like clothing?
Yeah, I mean, our view is, if we really want to make technology invisible, the batteries are usually the bulky, rigid problem, and we're trying to eliminate that so you can really make technology invisible. Forget that you're wearing them.
So where did this come from? How did you develop this?
Well, originally started the technology doing my PhD at UCSD, doing a printed electronics, and this is where we built the world's first printed stretchable battery, and that's got us off to the races. Yeah.
So can you tell me more about the technology? It's a flat battery?
Yeah, it's an ultra flat battery. We manufacture this battery through a novel process called rapid cure technology, allowing us to manufacture it 10 times faster, 5 times cheaper compared to any other manufacturing. And what's really exciting is that it's chemistry agnostic. So I can pick any type of material and make a better battery out of it.
So where does the power come from?
Power is from the materials inside. They're just designed to have ability to charge or take more energy and distribute it to a device.
So are there other companies that have this?
Yeah, I think there's a big demand for the IoT world to get better batteries that are smaller, more compact, and be easy to integrate. So they are definitely out there.
So what's going to be the biggest application for this?
For our view is electronic shelf labels, putting a display on every retail. That's the huge application where a company like Walmart, Best Buy are going to be over 200 million units just doing that interactive display, especially in COVID, where right now retailing hiring is hard. So instead of having a person update each retail price, now you've got a smart device that can update instantaneously.
So down the road, does this get smaller?
Yeah, what's really cool is if you can go to our website, you can actually build your own battery. So you just draw it and we spit out exactly what you need.
But what would somebody do with it then?
Well, it re-changed how you design electronics. If you look at how we do the electronic design these days, is that we build all of our electronics innovations around these bulky, rigid batteries with the ability to design your own. Now you can reshape the battery around the product.
So you're here at the show, you're exhibiting.
Yes.
What are people coming up and asking you about?
Yeah, they're asking can I make any shape, or sometimes customers don't even know what battery do they need. And we give them that freedom and then allow them to create, validate, and scale.
So where does this go in the future?
Well, our view is, the IoT wearables is kind of the first beachhead. We are innovating the battery manufacturing to impact drones, power tools, and eventually grid storage and mobility.
So this is really about powering IoT devices, essentially?
Yes, that's our focus right now, to build a battery solution for IoT and wearables.
So a year from now, what are you going to be talking about?
For a year from now, we're hoping to do drones and power tools, and then scaling up to EVs and grid storage.
Are you talking about batteries for those devices,
yes,
or the
batteries
actual
for those
devices?
Yeah, batteries for those devices.
Great,
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.